They tryna waste it, like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I've been.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So we all know that Halloween is coming up. So in honor of Halloween, I decided to recreate this look that Zendaya was rocking 2 years ago. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look, just keep watching. I already did my eyebrows off camera, and I also primed my lids. So now jumping right into the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to be taking this dark brown color called Mocha, and I'm going to be placing that into my crease and blending it up into my brow bones. So now going in with this black shade called Abyss, I believe that's how you pronounce it. But I'm just going to be taking that and placing it on my lid and blending it into my crease. And I'm just going to make sure that everything is all blended so there's no harsh line and demarcation. And I'm just going to be going back and forth within the two shades. So before I apply my falsies, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some mascara to my lashes. And the mascara that I'm using today is the L'Oreal Superstar X Fiber Mascara in the color Black.
and you're suing him to get your money back? That's not the way it works. You're lucky that he didn't pass the emissions test. Otherwise, you'd be stuck with this car. You bought the car as is. If you're going to buy it, you're going to spend $100 on a mechanic. You do that before you purchase the car. So your counterclaim for $5,000 for emotional distress is dismissed. I think we've already established that the end of your third marriage.
Okay, so now that the actual makeup is on and we're on to what makes this video a Halloween tutorial, I'm gonna be taking my gel eye pencil liner, and I'm just gonna be using the Instagram picture that I seen as a reference, and I'm just taking my time and outlining everything to make sure that it's exactly where it's supposed to be. So I promise you, this is probably the easiest Halloween look that I could probably do. So this is like a very quick, simple, bougie Halloween look. So, you know, just take your time, and even if you don't get it on your first try, it's perfectly fine. You just have to be very patient and have a very, very still hand. So yeah. So to follow up with that black eyeliner that I just added, I'm going to go in with a white eyeliner. And I'm just going to be doing the exact same thing I just did with the black. And then after, I'm just going to be going in with the same shadow that I use on my lid, the black eyeshadow. And I'm going to be smudging the black out so everything don't look so perfect and neat. So now to add what look like stitches on my skin, I'm going to be using the Eco London liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to be creating small dash-like strokes all over. So in her picture, she had more of a brown glossy lip. So to try to recreate that, I'm going to be using my brown lip pencil from She's Makeup in the color Dark Chocolate. And then I'm going to be following that with the NYX Professional Makeup Shiny Lip Gloss. And this do not have a shade, but the number is LG1018. So yeah. And to complete this look, I went ahead and I threw on a white robe as in her picture, and I threw my crown on. I was really feeling myself when I completed this look. But yeah, so now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to be adding some fake blood. And I just got this from, I believe it was Party City or either Ricky's. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and recreate the lines that she had with the blood in the exact same spots. And we're basically finished, guys. Okay guys, so this is basically it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I always say, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you guys have any suggestions and any video that you would like to see me do, just go ahead and leave a comment down below. Or any video that you would like for me to recreate, just go ahead and let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.